Hello and welcome to video 3 in the initial setup series. This video assumes you have set up your branch and you've set up your taxes. So now what I want to do is show you some of the fundamental company settings, and once you've addressed these you can start making orders in GlassPack LX. So let's go to Company Settings. Now there's a long list of settings here that's quite a tree. I'm not going to hit everything in here. I'm going to show you the initial fundamental things you want to touch so that you can start making orders right away. General branch settings. Make sure you have a first default list price. It's probably going to be list. And make sure you also have a default discount. Otherwise, when you make orders, it'll ask for a discount. But just have a default discount in there. Next, go to special line items. And I'm going to expand this by double clicking. You can also expand by clicking that little plus sign. And I'm going to look at generic item settings. This item ID, this MISC, is what we've chosen to label the open-ended generic miscellaneous item ID that you can use on an order. Like that. But if you don't have a discount product type and a tax product type, you'll get flagged for some missing required thing on these items that sits behind here. You want those to automatically fill in so you don't have to do it every time. So just make sure you fill in MISC and materials for the product type and the tax product type. Jump on down to windshield repair settings. This is the RPR. This is the shortcut repair ID. You can rename this here in this setting if you want. But again, if you don't have this filled in, this labor tax product type, you'll get flagged for some required missing thing here. Order printing. This right here, so if you expand this and then expand the next one down, the auto glass print options, it's broken out by document type. These are all the print options that you see on every order you print. You may recall there's quite a few printing options back here with all these tabs. This right here is where you can set those to be defaulted. You can override those order by order, case by case, but it's nice to have your preferred methods defaulted here. To set your printers, you're going to go down to Auto Glass Printers, expand it out, or if you're a flat glass user, you want to check the flat glass printers. But you'll expand this out. It's broken out by document type. And for each document type, you do need to select what printer you're going to be using. And it will memorize that printer for the user ID. Quotes, work orders. Also, this is where you set the number of copies to print. So if you want a work order to print more than once every time you print it, so you have a shop copy, customer copy, something like that, you want to set the number of copies right here. The paper type, it's going to be standard plain unless you're using an Okidata with pre-printed forms. Then you want to select the auto flat. Other than that, it's going to be standard plain. Also make sure you set your report printer, because the reports need to know what printer they're going to as well. And the last thing I want to show you is down here in the telephone and postal code formatting, there is a default area code. Go ahead and set your local area code in this field. GlassPack LX will automatically format telephone numbers. Having this filled in, it will assume the local area code number for a 7-digit entry. It's kind of convenient, so go ahead and put that in there. When you save that, you are now ready to start doing orders in GlassPack LX. My recommendation for the next thing to learn: customers and discounts.